Hi, this is Scot Giles, a diplomate of the National Guild of Hypnotists. My virtual presentation for the 2021 convention is Using Mind Styles to Improve Client Rapport. The presentation is designed to help you learn a simple technique that you can use at the first session to impress your client with your hypnotic ability and which will give you tons of information that will inform your work with the client. I'll be covering the following topics: how mind styles and the eye roll were discovered by two famous psychiatrists, how to have the client do the eye roll so you can determine the client's mind style, and how to score it correctly. A lot of people get that one wrong. And how to use the client's mind style to deepen your rapport with the client so they come back for more sessions because you've helped them so profoundly. The presentation is best for those who want to enhance their practice with a proven scientific technique and improve client capture and retention in your practice. I look forward to sharing my program with you.